எல்லோருக்கும் என்னோட ஓணாம்சம்ஸுங்க. Sorry, my Malayalam is not tall great, so I'll have to switch to English. Of course, it's not just the God's own land of beauty which I admire about Kerala. It's not just the highest literacy which it has attained. What I like most about the Kerala culture or the Malayali culture is the importance given to women in the Malayali society. Nowhere else in India or in most other parts of the world, women are considered head of the family. So that I really admire. So that's for others to learn. It's a lesson for everybody, other societies to learn. There's a lot I can talk about. I mean, not just the societal issue, even politically speaking. I think probably Kerala is the only state where people don't take money for voting. Everywhere else in the country, it's bad, very bad. Kerala remains that way. Do not get corrupt looking at your neighbors like Karnataka or Tamil Nadu, where money is given for votes. I hope Kerala remains that way. And of course, there are many strong cultural things which are very nice about Kerala. I really appreciate the annual event being continuously conducted in spite of many difficulties placed. Let's give a big round of applause to the organizers. I hope it will continue. The tradition will continue for many, many, many more decades to come. On a lighter note, when you talk about competition between Tamil Nadu and Kerala, I think in alcohol consumption also, I think Kerala competes with Tamil Nadu and Punjab. Wish you all the best. Thank you.